Okay guys, Babe's making breakfast and look at that. That is a big thing of sausage over there. She's got fresh cilantro, cooking some taters. And are we gonna throw eggs on this or?
I'm making them like an omelet.
Okay. That's gonna be yummy.
Veggies and sausage and egg and cheese.
Yeah, it's gonna look good. And the fresh vegetables here in the DR, top notch. And on a different note, we're out of water, of course. I had to change our filters because they smell like eggs. But I imagine you could probably clean them after using. You know, dump the sediment water out, and they'd probably last longer. But I'm gonna give that a try after running today to see how that works. But that'd be a lot more work. But them filters, they aren't cheap. Well, they aren't expensive, but yeah. Okay, our omelet's going to be turned into just scrambled eggs with a bunch of stuff in them. So.
Yeah. Made too much. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. So, it's going to be a yummy, like hash type stuff.
Hash with, and then potatoes and eggs. It's still going to be really good. It'll taste the same.
Oh, it'll be fine. It's what we usually do to put it in a flour tortilla, but we've been eating way too many of those.
Mm-hmm.
We've been going through we've been eating like 2 a day. We've done some weight.
Oh yeah.
So I decided, nah, let's forego that for a little bit and go back to more of a, meat and potatoes and veggies.
Yum. So it's been about 2 months since we started our engine for our boat, and it doesn't start. So I just pulled out the multimeter, did some checking, and we have just a loose connection on the starter. Simple fix. But look at that beauty. Yep, she's just sitting there all pretty, waiting for us to go again. So a little 13 millimeter, that thing's tight, good to go. Let's see if this engine starts. Crank up all 55 of them horses on this dang boat. Okay, so we're out here. Turn on, press the start button. Nothing. Nothing. So I guess something else is a problem. So my starter's bad, so I might have to replace that. I think it's the solenoid amp that's bad because I jumped it off with a screwdriver and it sounds like something was trying to turn, but go ahead and get that replaced and see if we can start this engine. Okay, so I got my brand new old starter. I'm gonna stick this in and see if it works. Okay guys, got the old new starter out. This one looks a lot better than the one I'm putting in, but see if the old busted looking one fixes it. And if you noticed, the starter is gone, and there's my pile of sweat. Yeah, Brandon, I'm sweating all over the place. Okay, moment of truth. Got the new starter in, pouring sweat. Let's see if it starts. Oh yeah, there it goes. And there's the water coming out right there. Now we can test and see if this thing actually, if the Papo's mooring holds. I'm gonna pull back on it just a little bit. Let's see. We're in reverse. No lines in the water. We're straightening up. Now let's give it a little gas. Okay. Simulating a little wind there. We're at 1500 RPMs. See us going against the tide. We haven't broke loose yet. There's 2000 RPMs.
Oh my God, you're scaring me. What if we break?
There's 2200. Okay, We did 2,200 on it. Yeah, so maybe it'll hold. It didn't move. Got a lot of current in the water. This is my babe. She's all nervous. You want to do it again?
Sure we're not closer to that boat?
No, we're not any closer to that boat. We didn't move. It's just the angle right now, the way the wind's pushing us. So a little task like starting the engine, just to make sure it still works, can turn into an all-day event. Oh, a few hour event. So, but yeah, we gotta get I think we'll get to town probably tomorrow because we have to get more money for Papo because we have to pay for a mooring. We've been here now 2 months.
Can't believe it.
Okay guys, we are going to get fuel. Have the dinghy loaded, pulled out our wagon, our trash, and we are set.
It's the last time we used our wagon.
Oh,
Bahamas.
Actually it was Georgetown.
Yeah.
No, we didn't even use it in Georgetown. No, we
No,
backpacked.
we didn't.
We just, it was actually March.
Yeah, March.
That was a long time ago. So,
Surprised it's not molded.
no, it's rusting. It's rusting a bit though. Yeah, it's got a little rust on the side. So, I imagine it's almost end of life.
Ocean takes everything back.
Yes. But we're going to show you town a little bit. We're going to also show different places we stopped along the way. So you know the general aspect of where everything is going to the gas station. Okay, of course you've seen the dinghy, but we're on it. Or the dinghy dock. Yeah, we're on that. But here's our get up.
Why does it always look hazy here? Actually, we're still in the Sahara dust.
Yeah, it was covering the solar panels this
Yeah,
morning.
it's pretty much all over our boat too. Ugh.
Our boat's looking pretty nasty. We're hoping for one of them big rains to wash it down. Hasn't happened yet. But we're gonna get on to town and yeah, get some fuel. Okay guys, this is of course the immigration spot we're passing. And of course, like always, we get stopped and talking with other boaters, and it delays our progress. But my gosh, it's muggy today. And hopefully, our wagon will navigate this road because it's got some deep obstacles. Oh yeah, the gutters are horrible. But you can hear it. We're getting into town. It's getting a little louder. Okay guys, so we just passed Wendy's right there. You see the paintings on the wall. But yeah, my wife says we're never going to get the gas station at this place. Because we just...
We always run into all the sailors in town.
So we're working our way up there. It'll probably take us a few hours.
Better not.
Okay guys, we just passed Astrid. She's coming back this month. This is the pizza place. We've already done a video on that. There's my babe, right there. And that's a meat marker over there, I'm thinking. Right there.
Yeah. Trying to figure out if that's the one everybody keeps talking about, because we went to the one down here.
No, we went right there. And their meat was a little tough. But it's a lot of traffic today. A lot of traffic. Okay guys, I made it to the end of Loop Rod. Or the middle of Loop Rod.
New?
No, I don't know. Looks like a school supply store. So, but we're about to pass where the ATM is up here. And right there. And a little grocery store. That's where we get our liquor from usually, because they have the big bottle. Okay, we're almost to the gas station. And you see it right there, the lights. Yeah, good little walk up through here. And Hopefully the gas is not $8 million a gallon like they charge you to bring it to you.
They like to play lotto.
Oh yeah, they do.
You find it everywhere.
Yeah, there's like 5 of them up this little road. Okay guys, so we got gasolina. 28 pesos, 2,800 pesos, or 28,000 pesos.
10 gallons.
Yeah, 2,800 pesos.
Equals about 48 bucks. That's
Yeah,
kinda
$50.
expensive.
$50.
We are envying the U.S. right now with your guys' gas prices.
Yes, yeah.
Because it's not
cheap here.
No, they go by liters.
Yep.
So it's very expensive.
There it is right there. That's what we're dealing with out here in the DR. Okay. Wow, it's loud. We got our liquor. We're not as cool as them other gringos around here, out here with cars and stuff, but we're making it. And motorcycles. Yeah. So, but we're making it. Okay, guys. Give us a free labor ice truck right here. Got some great music going on. And we're at one of our favorite stores. I'll have to show you inside. Mom Garden de Gasolina. But yeah, this is one of our favorite locations in Luperon. This is where we get our eggs, our veggies, and all that crap. Good to go in here though. But yeah, this is the D&E Supermarket. And they do delivery, so I guess we could deliver to the field, the dock where we're at. My wife got all the groceries and now wants the money. Dinero necesita. Okay, my wife got some beers for the road. This guy, come in here, get your food on, he'll hook you up. They have meat and delis all in the back, and it's a good day, as long as you can eat. Good. Okay guys, we made it. We came from that way. And my babe's got 2 beers in hand.
Let's get a beer.
She's got 2 of them.
That's his.
But yeah, we're almost back to the boat.
It's legal to walk around with a beer.
Yeah. But you can't ride a bike without a helmet here though. So,
even though everybody does, but they
yeah.
do have checkpoints.
Yeah. But yeah, we're almost back to the boat. Slow it up. I told her we got AC for 10 days now.
Nah. It hasn't been that. It has been that it's been very cloudy.
Yeah.
And we're not making power.
No. But still making power, just not enough. We're making about just over 4 kilowatts a day. Which with our electric kitchen seems to consume a lot of that power. Okay guys, my babe got her a new pan.
That one is gonna just be retired to. We're still gonna keep it, but it's not a good pan.
It's not a good pan.
So we got us
a stainless steel pan, and look what's cooking there. Oh my gosh, the color of that.
It's gonna go over rice.
Yeah, I got some more lights coming in too. I just haven't got them yet, so hopefully we can correct some light in here.
Yeah. But this is for later because we're gonna go to a bonfire first.
Yeah, we'll see.
But I knew when we got home from the bonfire, because it was gonna be late, I was like, I know I'm not gonna want to cook, so I'm cooking it now. And then when we get home, we'll
oh yeah,
we'll eat it.
Oh yeah. And there's our puppy cam right there. It's in the sun, can't see it very good, but we still have a dog.
She's getting her hair back.
Yep,
We had to do a full on. She can't go to the beach anymore.
Yep, I had the tick infestation with her.
Yeah, there's ticks at the beaches here. Yeah.
And now my babe has her 2 stainless steel pans. She can cook it right.
We bought that in, golly, I think it was in Cape Canaveral.
Yeah, that was in, yeah. So,
wow.
We still had a car then.
I need a hairdresser.
But now we're going to get ready and we're going to go get ready to go to the beach. So, we'll take Kel with us for a little bit.
Yeah, I'll show you some stuff.
Yep. Let's get. Okay, guys, we're going to the party, and my wife said, "Look at that, the wave."
To go out to the ocean.
So I zoomed in here.
And that.
I don't see the waves right now.
No, it just had a really big wave. Now that looks like beanies. That's not it.
No.
Okay, so it's starting to build.
It's starting to build.
But on a sailboat, that is not fun.
Okay, guys, we're on the beach, and the girls are here. She makes some excellent sauce, so you gotta check out this girl's sauce. But
Look, it's like it's Halloween already. You have a Halloween shirt.
yeah, she's my pumpkin, and that,
We are-
you know what that makes me.
Oh, his shirt was pumpkin eater. Pumpkin
Oh my
eater.
goodness.
Wait, what was it called?
Peter Pumpkin Eater.
Oh my god.
But
That's
but
racy.
yeah, we're gonna have a little fun on the beach. Got the locals back here.
Look at
And
the babies.
I'm not getting babies. And yeah, got some s'mores.
Thank
yeah.
you, babe.
What?
Thank you for the intro. Turn it off.
Okay, guys, we make fire, and my wife make drinks.
I take drinks. I don't get fire.